Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Terabox subscription, especially on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to cancel Terabox subscription, you need to open up your Google Play Store. And here I have opened my Play Store. We're going to cancel the subscription from here. Basically, if you want to cancel an app subscription, we need to go to the Play Store, because we can only cancel the subscription through Play Store. Okay, and now it's time to go to our profile right here. Click on your profile icon, and then you can go to payments and subscriptions. Okay, before you go to the payments and subscription, make sure you have selected the account you use to subscribe to an application. In case if you logged into multiple accounts on your Android mobile phone, you need to make sure that you have selected the account. Okay, and then go to the payments and subscription, select subscription, and you can find all the subscriptions here. Okay, these are the applications I have subscribed to. And as you can see, I have Terabox here, but I have canceled the subscription. So here I just need to remove it. Okay, and let's say that I'm going to cancel this application. So we can tap on it, and then we can simply click on cancel subscription. Okay, right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cancel Terabox subscription, especially on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.